Hello everyone. Today we will be making a quick and simple snacks recipe. You can try this out for your breakfast and evening snacks. Welcome to the cooking series by Roman Cuisine. Let's quickly get into it. So here I am taking half cup of dried chickpeas or chole and I am going to soak them for around 6 to 7 hours. Pressure cook them up to 3 to 4 whistles on medium to low flame. Now take a baking tray or pan and add cooked choles into it. Then add 1 thinly sliced onion, 1 tomato, 1 carrot, 1 cup boiled sweet corns, 1 cup diced mozzarella cheese, 1 small capsicum, 4 green chilies, crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste or pizza sauce, ground cumin, ground coriander, and ground peppercorns with a salt to taste. Give it a good mix. And finally add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, which is completely optional here. Again give a good mix. Before you put it in the oven, just add 2 tablespoons of oil and top with some extra cheese. And it's ready to bake. Preheat microwave for around 5 minutes. Make sure you are using thinly sliced onion, tomato and carrot so it will help to cook evenly in the microwave. Let's take it out from the microwave. You can see how beautifully all veggies are nicely cooked. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves, and here we are ready with our super yummy healthy snacks. Save this out for your next gathering. Do like, share and subscribe for more. See you in the next recipe. Happy cooking!